In this session, we will learn how to retrieve the ATC arm when a tool change cycle gets interrupted. The automatic tool changer is one of the most critical systems in a machining center. The system initializes and the machine is set into its normal operation sequence. The machine runs smoothly, completing operations as programmed. Suddenly, the ATC arm interrupts midway because the tool declamp proximity sensor is not sensed. The ATC arm gets stuck midway as the tool did not declamp within the specified time, preventing further tool exchange. While interruption, observe message screen 2083. Possible causes include incoming air pressure low, tool not declamping manually due to improper spindle taper lubrication, malfunctioning of tool declamping proximity sensor, leakage in hydro-pneumatic cylinder or low oil level in bowl. Press reset and check if the alarm clears. Refer to the earlier video on checking and adjusting incoming air pressure. Refer to the earlier video on a proper spindle taper lubrication. You may observe the headstock enclosure with a push button and a transparent cover. The transparent cover is secured with 8 screws. Behind this cover, the hydro-pneumatic cylinder and proximity sensors are located. The push button is used for manual tool declamping.
While pressing the push button manually, hydro-pneumatic cylinder operates, pushes the drawbar, declamps tool, and proximity sensor is sensed. After removing transparent cover, please ensure tool declamping proximity sensor is adjusted to the end of drawbar stroke
And check if the alarm clears. To check the oil level in the bowl, remove the ERP door located on the right-hand side of the machine guard. Then remove the transparent cover on the headstock. This is the schematic representation of the hydro-pneumatic cylinder. The cylinder consists of 2 chambers, a pneumatic chamber and a hydraulic chamber. Compressed air in the pneumatic chamber compresses the oil in the hydraulic chamber, generating magnified pressure. The oil circulates from the reservoir into the hydraulic chamber as the piston moves downward and returns when the piston moves upward. Check the oil level in the bowl. If it's low or empty, refill with Servo 68 oil. Once the alarm is cleared and the issue is rectified, proceed with the standard ATC arm retrieval procedure. With the ATC arm retrieval completed successfully, the tool change sequence is restored. The machine has resumed smooth, stable operation. If there's leakage from the cylinder, replace the oil seals or the entire cylinder. Never hand crank the ATC arm until alarms are cleared. If problems persist, contact your nearest sales and service office.